Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are taking the famous cable car ride to Bana Hills. This is going to be an experience that's as exciting as the destination itself. The Bana Hills cable car system is one of the most impressive in the world. The main line stretches about 5.7 kilometers and holds Guinness World Records for the longest single cable non-stop ride and the greatest elevation change, climbing more than 1300 meters from the base to summit. The journey takes around 15 to 20 minutes, giving you plenty of time to soak in the views. As you ride, you will glide above waterfalls, dense forests and mountain slopes with occasional glimpses of Da Nang city and the coastline in the distance. On clear days, the scenery is breathtaking, while on misty days it feels like floating through the clouds. When you arrive at the mid-level station, you step into some of the Bana Hills' most iconic attractions: the Golden Bridge, the Flower Garden, pagoda with its Buddha statue, etc. From here, a short connecting cable car ride takes you further up to the mountain to the summit. This is where you will find the French Village, the Fantasy Park Indoor Amusement Center, and the Suncraft Beer Factory, which is the highest brewery in Vietnam. Just for the context, Vietnam is also home to another record-breaking cable car in Phu Quoc, which is even longer at about 7.9 kilometers, crossing the sea to Pineapple Island. But while Phu Quoc's ride is about distance, Bana Hill is all about the dramatic climb and mountain scenery. The cabins here are modern, safe, and built with European technology, so you can just sit back and enjoy the ride. And the best part is that your Bana Hill entry ticket already includes cable car rides, so there is no extra cost. This ride is more than just a transportation. It's part of the adventure, and for many visitors, it's the highlight of the entire trip. If you're enjoying this Bana Hills series, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are planning to visit Vietnam. And tell us in the comments below, would you be more excited about the mountain views here in Da Nang or the sea crossing in Phu Quoc? Thank you very much for joining me on this journey through the clouds. I will see you soon in the next video.